Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel, Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my previous video, we had all quickly gone through the instructions and the important documents required for you to apply for your computer number. In today's video, we are going to see how to create your Pariksha ID and how to apply for the computer number. So if you are someone who's going to start your commercial pilot journey and are looking to apply for your computer number, my video today is going to help you. So let's get started. So now let's begin with the registration. We go back to the page and we again go to the new candidate registration. I have read all the instructions, submit. Now as you can see, this is your new candidate registration. You will select your title, you will type your first name, your middle name. Everything is quite self-explanatory. You have to fill in whatever has been asked for, your date of birth and everything. And then you have to click on I have never registered with DGCA for a computer number, enter the CAPTCHA and then click on submit. Before you submit, please make sure all your details are correct and it will ask you once again if you want to edit. If you're okay, then just click on OK. So this says temporary registration is successfully completed and verify your email ID and mobile number. You will get an OTP on your registered mobile. So whatever it is that you get, please type it over here and then you click submit again. So after your mobile number, the next page that you get is your email verification, and here you are going to receive a link on your email ID, whichever it is that you had provided on the registration page. And once you open your email and you see the email from Pariksha, you have to open the email and you will find a link down below which says activate the account. And as you click activate the account, or you click on the link, you will be taken to a page where you will be asked to make a login ID and a password for your your Pariksha portal, and that will be your user ID and password for your Pariksha portal. So now that your email, your login ID and password has been created, you go back to the main page where you had your candidate registration, and this time you will be clicking on candidate login. So basically you just go back on the same page and you will click on candidate login. Here you can see your email ID, computer number. Because you do not have a computer number as of now, you'll be entering your email ID. You can also see on the left, these are the instructions. If you see, it says notice board for the pilot. So here you will find all your latest updates about the examinations, results of the examinations and all of that. So this is what you have to see. Now as I entered, this is the page. Now you have to finish your registration. So you have to type in your correspondence address, and on the right side you have to type your permanent address. So for it also says my permanent address is same as correspondence address, so just write your permanent address first, and if it's the same, you just have to click on yes and the address will get copied. Quite simple. And after you have entered all the details, all you have to do is save and next. So are you sure you want to submit your details? Just say okay, but be sure all the details were correct. Now applying for registration category, because you're doing CPL, it will be CPL. Your nationality. Are you holding any license issued by foreign authority? No. Defense pilot, if you are, please click yes. If not, then just no. Well, training and flying details, if you haven't done any, they're not important. You could enter your passport details if you have a passport. Then you have a visa details. Now education, this is important. So select the board, whichever it was, your year, in which year did you pass. So whatever it is, your percentage, CGPA, you have to type that, and then you enter your marks or your CGPA obtained. And so you will be updating all your 10th standard and 10+2, all the education details. 10+2 asks for your subject details, so you have to put physics and maths because that's important. And then you just save and next. Again, sure of your details, just say yes. Okay, now you have come to the documents page. This is important. Like I said, you should keep your documents ready beforehand. It asks for your photograph, signature, date of birth, 10th mark sheet, pass certificate, board verification, 12th equivalent pass certificate, physics pass certificate, and your board verification, physics board verification, maths board basically board verification for physics and maths would be your 10th result and 12th result verification itself. There is no other verification for physics as such. It will be your the verification that you have. It will have your physics and maths marks and all, so you can upload the same for that. Here it is a bit time taking. Make sure all the sizes are correct, and so that's why I say it's time taking, but if you already keep the documents ready in the prescribed sizes, it will be easier for you. You have to quickly upload them and then it is done. Again, with the signature, please be sure that your signature is correct, and this is what you're going to be using in future as well on your documents. Even the hard copy that is going to go to DGCA will have the same signature on it. So once you have uploaded all your documents, please be very sure that you have uploaded them correctly. For the 10th mark sheet, you have uploaded your 10th mark sheet and not your 12th mark sheet, because if in case any mix and match happens, then your computer number will get rejected, and then all this mehnat is going to go waste. So be very sure about what you're uploading. You're uploading the right thing at the right place. Wherever they've asked for Aadhaar card, make sure you upload your Aadhaar card and not your passport. So I know, because it is quite lengthy and it is a little time taking procedure, one gets exhausted doing it, but don't worry, it is an important thing. You need this computer number, and you need it on your first go. You don't want to keep applying for this again and again. So be very sure that you're carefully doing it and doing it right. Now that you've uploaded everything, just click on save and next, and then proceed. So you'll again get all details are you sure and all. You just click OK, and your documents have been successfully uploaded. So this has all your details that you had written, that you had already given, and your documents uploaded. Now you just see declaration and undertaking. Here you click on I hereby certify and final submit. So have a look at everything, and you clicked on submit. So now your application is successfully submitted, and this is what the page will look like. So now see, it says temporary registration ID, application for allotment of the computer number. You will have to take a printout of this. So this page that you see is your registration, has your registration temporary ID, and this is your application for allotment of computer number for appearing for the DGCA or in-flight crew examination. Here you see the P dash, it is what your office will fill for you. This will be your computer number. Please check for your photograph, your signature, everything, all the details, your name, gender, date of birth, everything is mentioned, all your study details, Now you take a printout of this, and this is what you will be sending to DGCA to get your computer number. So this, my friends, is how you apply for your computer number. I hope you all find my video quite useful. In case you have any doubts regarding the computer number or any other thing regarding your commercial pilot training, please feel free to contact us or leave us a comment. Our address and contact details are mentioned below. And please stay tuned to our channel for more such videos and updates. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!